In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule in Google Calendar. First, let's start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to the Google Calendar website or app on your device. Once you are there, you will see a clean and organized interface. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. The layout features days, weeks, and months, allowing for easy navigation. Opening Google Calendar is a crucial first step because it sets the foundation for everything you will do next. You want to make sure that you are in the right place to create and manage your events effectively. Next up, you need to create a new event. You can do this by clicking the Create button, which is usually located at the top left of the screen. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can click directly on a specific time slot on the calendar. When you click Create or a time slot, a new window will pop up. This is your gateway to setting up your event. It's important to understand that this action initiates the scheduling process. You will find that creating events will become second nature as you use this tool more often. Once you've clicked Create, the next step is to select Event from the options available. This choice allows you to set up a detailed event rather than a simple reminder. When the event window opens, you'll notice several fields that need your attention. Selecting Event is key because it enables you to customize your scheduling experience. You will feel more organized knowing you have the ability to include all relevant details for your meetings or appointments. Now it's time to enter the event title. You can type something like Team Meeting or whatever fits your needs. This title is crucial because it tells you and others what the event is about. A clear title ensures that everyone knows the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Once you enter the title, it will be prominently displayed on your calendar, making it easy to identify among other events. Next, you will set the date for your event. You can do this by clicking on the date field and selecting the correct date from the calendar that appears. After that, you will need to input the start and end time for your event. This is important because it helps everyone involved to know when to join and how long to expect the meeting to last. Accurately setting the date and times makes sure that your schedule remains organized and efficient. If your event has a physical location, you can also specify that now. Enter the location in the designated field, which is optional but often helpful. This is especially useful for in-person meetings where everyone needs to know where to go. Providing a location ensures that participants can prepare in advance and arrive on time. You will see that adding this detail enhances the clarity of your event information. Now, if you want to invite others to your event, click on Add Guests. This option allows you to input the email addresses of the people you want to invite. By adding guests, you ensure that everyone necessary is informed and included in the meeting. This simple step can save you a lot of time later because it automatically sends out invitations and reminders to your guests. After you have filled in all the necessary details, you can add any additional information or a description if needed. This could include an agenda or any notes that participants should review before the meeting. Adding details enhances the effectiveness of your event, making it more productive for everyone involved. Finally, once everything is set, don't forget to click Save. This action finalizes your event and adds it to your calendar. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your event has been successfully scheduled. Taking this last step is crucial because it ensures that all your hard work and planning comes to fruition. Congratulations! You've just created a schedule in Google Calendar.